In this video, I will tell you how to make hair growth oil for long shiny hair, and I'm using the main ingredient here is Alkanet root, which is also called Ratanjot. This herb is primarily used as a dyeing and coloring agent for fabrics, soap and lip balms. Ratanjot is traditionally used. This is being used in food for giving color, and this herb when used with the oil helps to arrest hair fall, baldness, premature graying, and oil infused with this herb promotes hair growth. And if you want to boost the hair growth, you can add castor oil in this oil before using it. It is a natural hair conditioner and it helps to reduce premature graying, baldness and hair loss. Let's get started with the video. For this we need 4 herbs here. I'm taking fenugreek seeds powder. I have taken 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds powder, and I'm taking 1 full bowl of Ratanjot Alkanet root. You can crush it by your hand. It is very soft. You can crush it or you can leave it as it is. So 1 bowl we will be using. This is the main ingredient, and this is very helpful in hair fall and hair growth. So now next ingredient I'm taking is 1 tablespoon of bhringraj powder, which is also called king of herbs. And next I'm taking 2 tablespoons of Amla powder, which is very good for our hair. And I'm using here coconut oil, and I'm taking parachute coconut oil. You can take any other brand, and if you want to replace it with mustard oil, then also you can use it. And you need a glass jar. Yes, glass jar you will need, and in that you need to add one by one all the dry ingredients, dry herbs you need to put in the jar, and fill this with the coconut oil. I have filled it with 3/4 of the container with the coconut oil, and make sure to stir it. After stirring it well, you need to put this in sunlight for at least 1 week to 15 days, and you need to keep the oil inside this, and after 2 to 3 days it is ready to use, and you can leave the herbs inside the oil or you can strain the oil. So here I'm straining it, and after straining you can store it. And I would like to tell you about the benefits of this oil. It is by regular use of this oil will prevent premature graying of hair, and it also arrests baldness in mild cases. This hair oil is very good when it comes to hair conditioning. You can replace coconut oil with mustard oil, or you can mix both, means mustard and coconut oil both you can use. You can also add 2 tablespoons of castor oil into the final oil to increase the hair growth power of the oil. Smell of this herb is a little bit strong. It may bother sensitive noses. Shake the bottle well each time before using the oil. I hope you have liked this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Also share the video, the bell icon to get the notifications of latest updates. Thanks for watching.